awfully silly. There's a little 8-month-old baby. Hi, I love you. Get your crazy hair. And look how you're standing. All by yourself. I didn't help you at all. You're so amazing. So amazing. Yeah. Now you're walking, holding on to me. You're gonna be walking in no time. This is crazy. You used my leg to get to the couch, to get to the table.